Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how to show a alert box on pressing a button. Let me explain what I have done here. In the main page I have deleted all the unwanted stuff, and the home I have given this home page which is in the home.dart file. Okay, here inside the scaffold I have created a body with a container. Okay, let me add a app bar, title, text, alert. Okay, container. Let me wrap this container with the center. Okay, let me create a floating action button. Floating action button dot extend on pressed. Okay, label. Let us label it as text. Icons dot. Okay, if I run this I will get a floating action button. Okay, let me write a function for on pressed. Let us turn a show dialog. Let us return a dialog. It has a context builder, new notification. Let me add a async here. Okay, new notification. Okay, let us create a alert dialog with the title, text. Let me give this a heading like that, something. Notification. Okay, content, text, okay, actions, your widget, text, button. Okay, let it be elevator button on pressed. Let us dismiss navigator dot off. New notification. This new notification is this one. New notification dot pop. Okay, it's not context, just pop. Child, text, okay, I think it would work. Let us try. Notification. Yes, it is working. Notification. Subscribe to the channel and get awesome Flutter videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video. Okay, even we can add a no button. Last actions elevator button. Text button. Okay. Okay. Let me add this button at the top so that not interested and sure. On pressed. Let us even add a print. Subscribe. Later. Okay. If I click this and sure, subscribed. Not interested, we'll try later. Okay. We'll try later, sure. That's all for this video. Let us meet in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye.